and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to try, and I say try to make a wind generator, a wind, yeah, whatever you call these. Wind fly things with a hub and things on. As I guess you see, here's the hub, here's the gondola, there's the tower itself. I have though done some things so you don't have to see it, like cutting 3 screws. As I don't have this is more or less a test. I just wanted to see if it's possible to do anything fun with it. So I just took and cut some screws. Took some of these hex screws and cut them. Why did I cut them? Yeah, because one part is going to go in here. So I have to thread it in some way. I guess I have to show you how I do it, because I forgot to thread this one. I just take an M3 bolt and line it up, kind of ish. Take the hex key and just start turning it. Oh, it was done. Okay. Then we just have to do it the right way with the other ones, with these. And I don't have any real instruction how this thing is gonna go together, though the most is self-explanatory, whatever you call it. Let's see if we can get this thing to work. Well, we can use the drill. If not, just put that in there, and it's on a low setting again, or yeah, it is. And just put that there. There we go. And now we have that much to put in the hub, as you call this, I guess. I mean, I want it to be a bit sturdy for wind and things, as I am thinking of putting a motor in here. So, and do it the vice versa, whatever you call it. There we are. That's one part of the blade. That has to go that way anyway. I will glue it and try to press it down, because then this part is going on here, like so. And then the tiniest one on there. So, but we can start with the tower itself, except this part, because I need to get that thing to be locked to the gondola, or gondola, or whatever you want to say. Need to have it kind of ish like so. Put something and press. Like so. And then press that, and I think it is like this. It's gonna go. I'm not sure. I mean, I have never built one of these before. That was a bit short. Darn. Or is this one gonna be going there? Let's do that and do this. I will make more, and I need to make them sturdier, so this is more or less just a fun test. Does it work? Does it not work? I mean, I need to get some, what do you call them? Bearings, I think. So right now it's just a screw, and I'm doing with I don't have any lock nuts, so I either will go with the I think I will go with the glue option. Just so this one sticks around. Do it on the feeling. Oh, what a feeling. There we are. So that, now that can kind of go around a bit. Can dab some glue on there. There. Oh, I dribbled some glue. Let's take this end piece here and get that mounted in the gondola. That's just gonna go in the back like so. There, and we're gonna do the great tape trick. And what's the best tape in the world, if not this duct tape? I don't know if the silver tape is called duct tape. I do call it that. That is gonna just dry for now. So we take this one and put a line of glue on there. This is downsized. I downsized it. Let's see when it bites. There it bites. Of course I can't turn it. Let me take next layer. This CA stinks. And we just do that again until it sets. As it goes on kind of friction-ish. just file it also. There. Now I got 3 sections done. And they are all 3D printed, of course. What else? I will take that section and just smear it around a bit, like that, like so. And I noticed some marks here. I don't know what they are for. There we have the whole tower, and it's what did I say? I checked it out how tall it was. 3 feet, about. Yeah. And then we take this one, and okay, we do that first. There, smear that on. I don't know if the angle of this is good or not. Have no clue, as I haven't done this one before. Hopefully it's okay. I usually don't sit and do wind power mills. I think it's called windmill, isn't it? Take next blade. And I didn't put it good in. I put it wrong in the chalk. Never mind. There we go. We can take the next one. I have, though, prepared so much so I did make the threads with a screw. Because I don't think you want to see me sit and waste time or threading a threading things. Let's see here. Did this go good? Kind of. We fix this blade. Take the bad side to the blade. I mean, it gets to be pretty big. If I should have saved and made it the right size, it wouldn't be fun, because the right size of this is half size. I didn't. My printer can't take 2 large things. It can only take a certain amount. So I mean, I had to scale it down. I don't think it matters. It's a nice thing, though. Anyway, and now no one can complain about the volume, because it is good now. I know that for sure. Out. It's not the meaning that I should sit stuck to the blade. Still not me that's gonna be stuck. I mean, I don't know how I can make these better, if I say that. Now we'll see here. This one should go. For shits and giggles, we take a small... what? No. Guess we have to have this one. We have to put on the smallest ones. Those are a bit a new trouble, because I really don't know how to put them on. There has been very much strings and things on these, but I spared you the cleaning of it. And I mean, it's just gonna be put on here, and how? That's a good question. Let's see here. It should have been some kind of support, yeah, but it didn't seem to be wanting to put any support, because I've scaled it down so much. And this will be mostly for fun. Oh, seems to be okay. Take this, file it down. This will be a finicky thing. Very finicky. Will it work? Will it not work? I don't know. I would have loved to have the bigger version on this, but now I don't. Can't get the bigger version. Maybe I can order it from somewhere. Like, what is it, the bloody place everyone screams about. Some glue on that. Is it gonna hold? Yeah, it seems to. Don't think it can take any big forces. So let's do this. Find the scissors. And I don't think I will glue that one right now. But on the big one, when it's a full scale on, it's supposed to be a M8 threaded rod through the whole thing and embedded to concrete, because it's 8 feet tall, I think. The original one. Now I just do it like that. Don't take any extra. And try to pile this down. It's able to take some abuse though. And I don't know, I heard on YouTube someone telling that ABS is not, or PLA is not good to be drilling, filing, and to that person I just say he doesn't know what he's talking about. How did I make these? I drilled a hole there because I thought I could put a screw through and lock it from the inside, but nah, didn't want to happen. But I mean, yeah, I think this is both filed, it's screwed, it's glued, I've done everything with this. That person said, no, you shouldn't do that with PLA. It's not good to do because it doesn't like it and yada yada. Can you stay there if I do it like that? So instead of going out buying models, I make my own models on the 3D printer and put them together and buy, I have to buy screws and all shit. There. At least it looks like a warning sign. Maybe it can be a warning sign for it. I don't know. They do. Most of them have a red stripe or something. We have these pretty near where I live. I passed them some weeks ago. We have there's a wind park where it's 5, I think. And I mean, I think I was pretty far away from them anyway, so I could see them. And I could hear the whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. So I'm very happy I don't live near one of these. Can't be nice. There. So I have to find a better solution for these. And yes, it's not balanced at all. It's not even supposed to be working as a real one. It's me that's doing dumb things as normal. I love to do stupid things. and think, why can't I do? I mean, I got 16 solar panels. If I can make this full size, I would put car generators in it. Say I have a full size. It's not going to be a dangerous one like the real ones. If the blades break, they will break either there or there. I mean, it's not going to be a life-threatening thing like the real ones are. If a blade gets out of whack and just get lost, it's danger. I've seen on YouTube blades flying away when it has gone to too much rotation on it. And the blades just pewing. Got like, think of having a 30 or 40 feet blade stuck in your yard or in your lawn. Can't be fun. Let's see. If we now take this and this, just put an M3 through. What are we gonna? We have to have that.